Today's question comes from Ramiz Ranas in Kerala, India. Ramiz asks, my SEO client is using shared hosting for one of their websites. When I checked other sites hosted on their server, found some spammy websites. Will that affect ranking of my client's website? Great question. On the list of things that I worry about, that would not be near the top. So I understand, and Google understands, that shared web hosting happens. You can't really control or help who else is on that IP address or Class C subnet. The other thing is, if you were to take action just on that Class C subnet or IP address, the spammers are pretty savvy, and the spammers would often migrate and go to a new IP address. So typically it's not the most scalable way to tackle things. Now, I would say that, and I have seen this happen at least once, where if you have, say, thousands and thousands and thousands of spammy websites. We saw one that had 26,000 spammy porn websites all on one IP address, and then one normal website. That can look a little bit bad because, it definitely invites more scrutiny. You sort of say, well, what does this one website have to do with these thousands and thousands of spammy porn sites? But if you have just the normal mix that happens with any other set of shared hosting, I really wouldn't worry about it that much.